luhehi agapa hamana ani apuwe duye yara ani apuwe hani ani apuwe hani yaba luhehi agapa hamana Casa mege beho kamina lo Zunta abindo buya abatagoa Casa mege beho wadigo kamina lo Casa mege beho rasale Zunwata abindo goa Yabita obere hakuta Zunwata Yabibere Duhakendago, amagalena guzile be. Casa mege be hon, casa mege be hon, casa mege be hon. Pigia, te bongyo teya, te bongyo teya, te bongyo teya. Di na batalo.
Yes, we're live on 91.7 FM, ladies and gentlemen, live on 91.7 Difa Garifuna radio station, and it's a pleasure to have our group inside the studio today, just, donating, giving appreciation for everything that's been transpiring for the last couple of weeks. I want to say good night, Sharon Nicasso, Colin Ramirez, Michael Shav, Derek Martinez, Anthony Martinez, Mark Anthony Wagner, Trudy Zuniga, Tia Wayne, and Kiara Molina, Johnny Sarana, Wilson Poe. Good night, everybody. I can't read out our name right now, but we appreciate everybody, right? So tonight it's a self-introduction. To my left, ladies and gentlemen, who do we have here?
Habaya Warani.
Say it again, who this?
Habaya Warani.
Good. Who else you got? Your name?
My name is Jeremiah Castro and I attend Stan Creek Ecumenical College in Dangrigatong.
Huh? Where you live, Saragle? How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Why, man? Old are me. Good night.
My name is Jaden Nasir and I attend Stan Creek Ecumenical College.
And you're also 13?
Yes, sir.
You're 13 now, well, okay. The other mic, you two could share this mic. The other two, just take it off of the stand right there, so. Alright, cool.
My name is Amanda Fernandez, also attending Stan Creek Ecumenical College, and I am also 13.
My name is Lashan Sabal. I am 14 years old, and I also attend Stan Creek Ecumenical College.
Good. Smart children. And Ita Loban to do here. So what are we about to do today? Right now, what will happen?
We are going to be thanking all the people who helped us plan and do the tribute that we held for Miss Margie, along with her funeral that they did, which I could say was a very beautiful service.
Thank you. Okay, you guys will go ahead whenever you're ready. Don't be shy, we're done there.
Aria Bawaya.
Habaya o waraniye.
Aria Bawaya.
Habaya o waraniye.
Aria Bawaya.
Habaya o waraniye.
Fefe hayatu gawagia lo maganda. Fefe Gowagia, Lawaganda, Aria Bawaya,
Habaya o waranie.
Aria Bawaya,
Habaya o waranie.
Aria Bawaya,
Habaya o waranie.
Fefe Hayadu Gowagia, Lawaganda, Fefe Hayadu Gowagia, Lawaganda.
Buitiguyo, good night everybody. On behalf of Habaya Urani and Urani Cultural Group, we would like to thank our sponsors and donators for helping us to plan to help us plan Mrs. Margaret Castillo that she have lived.
Yes, thank you very much, and thanks you guys for stopping by in the studio. Very appreciative of what you guys have done, and the people is well accepted as well. Thank you very much. You have anything else?
On behalf of Reckless Flores Music, the Alejo Bene Cultural Extravaganza Committee, and the family of the late great Mrs. Margaret Castillo, we extend our most sincere appreciation to everyone whose support made the tribute such a moving success. We especially acknowledge Mrs. Nada Callis, Stankway Ecumenical College School Stage, Al Abanda Songs, Mr. Kelly Taints, Honorable Dr. Louis Zabani Lights, Michael Evan Lights, Delpha Garfuna Radio 91.7 FM, Miss Gwen Nunes Gonzalez, Lord Byron, Mrs. Dorina Castillo and Habaya Orani, Miss Marta Aranda and Ugodarigi Cultural Group, Miss Marsha Mejia, Mr. Merrick Callis and Lubafu Wanaragua, Orani Cultural Group, Mr. Emmer Girls Sr. and Morgerly Drummers, Mr. Nuane Martinez and Bogody Boys, Bima Tiban, Mrs. Loris Light Shaw,
Reckless Flores, Mr. Michael Evans, all these people I'm remembering. Mr. Owane Martinez. Who else we got?
We also have Mr. Sibat Kayatana and Kayatana on Uguro Band, Mahobob Flores, DJ Sag from YG, 12 VH DJ H6, DJ Alo, DJ Youngstar, Next Gen Band, Mr. Andrew Norales and Bossa B Band, Chico Ramos and Sweet PN 3.0 Band, Biggs the CEO, Agua, Vida Mags, Harlem Youths, Hugh B, Reckless Forest, Mrs. Gloria Sabal Palacio, Mayor Robert Mariano, and DTC. Please accept our apologies if your name and contribution were unintentionally overlooked. Your willingness to contribute your time and talent was instrumental to the success of the tribute. We extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who attended in person or joined us via DIFA. Your support was deeply appreciated. Thank you, Sarah May.
Wow. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is what makes Warren different. You know, they come and show their appreciation. A lot of times we have these wakes and funerals and events, even events, you know, people don't show their appreciation. I know they appreciate what they've done, but it's a different feeling when you say it, you know, in a public forum like this where people could, you know, get the sense and say, you know what, I could help again sometime soon. So it's good teachings, and you guys are good followers from your leaders, from Warren and Habaya Warren, your fellow cultural group mates, for make it possible. So again, we are so delighted that you guys are here in studio with us as well. You know, so thank you very much for stopping by.
Good evening, everyone. There is always, always, always something to be grateful for. Therefore, the family of Mrs. Margaret Castillo The family of Mrs. Margaret Castillo would like to take the opportunity to extend our deepest appreciation for all the love and support. Special thanks to the staff of Southern Regional Hospital for caring for her. Father Guillermo and Deacon Pascual Olivas, thank you for such a beautiful service for our loved one. We truly appreciate your kind words. Sincere gratitude to Dr. Luis Zabani, Mayor Robert Mariano, Mr. Alex Lucas, Dr. Petra Arana, Empire Funeral Home, Longsworth Funeral Home, Canon Barbara McBride, the choir, Eleanor Bullock, Mrs. Patricia Sacasa, Pablo Lambe Foundation, Mrs. Joycelyn Cayetano, Miss Georgia Flores, Miss Iadra Rodriguez, Mrs. Rose Sutherland, Love FM, Mr. Harry Arzu, and Nitch. To Reckless and his crew for coordinating the lineup for the tribute. To Dr. Gwen, Lord Byron, and all the artists who participated in it. It was a wonderful celebration of Maggie's life. We say thanks to the parents of Habayat Warani. Thank you for allowing your children to participate in the service. To those who I forgot to mention, please accept my humble apologies.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And thanks to Miss Dorina Castillo, always running around with her head like a neck, like a chicken cut off. You know, I'm a Sunday day, going to the funeral home, going to pick out coffin to think I not see her, but I see her. You know, you're not die for everywhere. I'm trying to text you picture, not you? That's why I got life, and I want to think. No life? Thank you, Miss Dorina. All right, guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You guys good. Anything else?
We will now pass you on to Mrs. Clarine, which is the group leader of Urani Cultural Group.
All right, come on, Miss Clarine. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. Very, very smart kids. Very intelligent. You guys did excellent. First time on the radio station. You guys did great. Great. Gary Funa. Shoot how. All right, so. Clarine, all right. You see Auntie Maggie right there? She made it up on my head, right? I'll put you right up on your head right now. All right. Good night, ladies.
Good night.
You want to share the mic there as well too, so that they could hear you. So you could hold it in your hands like that. All right. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, now the new leader. You ready? Clarine, you ready for take over?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, hold on. Make up put Auntie Maggie top of your head. Right? All right. Again, we're here with members of one cultural dance group, right? Cultural dance group, right? And guys, you also show some strength. Man, I can't say how much, condolences, all are we going one day. I could tell her that. I mean, I ain't not ready. What? One ready?
No, yes.
All right, Ms. Clarine, go ahead. What you got to say with us here tonight?
Well, good night, everybody. First, I'll start with a song composed by my mom. That was the last song she sang before her passed.
All right, go ahead.
Wahora funa uguye. 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 Ahora funa uguye.
Wadibiri hafuna uguye.
Hage sarandiye.
Don't baby sisera namule.
Ah, hage sarandiye.
Don't baby sisera namule.
Ah, hago sa clarine.
Wabebo malale. Agambo ba muga.
Ah, hago sa clarine.
Wabebo malale. Agambo ba muga.
Mayaho humatia na muleno.
Don't be hagaro namule.
Ah, mayaho humatia na muleno.
Don't be hagaro namule.
Ah, mayaho humatia na muleno.
Don't be hagaro afedo na muga.
Ah, mayaho humatia na muleno.
Don't be hagaro namule.
Ah, mayaho humatia na muleno.
Don't be hagaro afedo na muga.
Oh, beautiful song, beautiful song. Man, Clarion, get it? No, but the children need to get that one. They don't start teach that one there, not yet. Well, Clarion, we must say, she have done her job here, and you hear it over and over and over again. And when I get to know her, and I get to understand, a lot of people know her that she talk to a lot of people who not even meet her yet. Some people call me and tell me how I could get in contact with Miss Auntie Maggie. They call the studio, and I just send it, and then I call she, we talk and things like that. I run joke with her, but it's a full life, it's a full life. So, so be proud to have a mom like that, and proud to have a leader. She's a leader in our community because then she have passed on a whole lot of joy to our community. And sometimes people don't say it, but they feel it. And what I like most, what I want to say this on the air. You see, we week, right? Mm-hmm. We have we week. They got people now who might have a lead change and no one have no week because why? They don't want to share. Auntie Maggie never rich and have nothing like that, but she was comfortable and she made happy. And that's the message I want to send out there. You don't have to got no money. Once you got this love in your heart, everybody are chipping. Right. Look at all the people when they list us now. That's a love. So when somebody passed away, ladies and gentlemen, make we have we week, no? And make we have a 9-night Bellura. Can a Bellura be bigger than the week? Right? That is love. That is girlfriend duo. Right? So it's not just having a week and coming out there like that. People don't have because they're afraid they want to compete with the other one and say their week no might be as big. Than about the big, about the person, about the respect we'll give to the person out there. So I encourage our girlfriend people, have we week. Even if only 2 bottles of liquor have the week, we make sure we get she prayers. She prayers she needs to get. I'm not a church going person, but she needs she prayers. Everybody needs for their prayers. So not worry about how big or how small your week is. Worry about the love that you will give. Right? And not hide the liquor. Share it because we can make more. But we can't make another person. Alright? Anything else, guys? That's Adele?
Well, I'm here tonight to come and share our appreciation to you guys. My mom got a lot of support, and I'm really ungrateful, thankful for it. I have some more people on this list. We have Mrs. Marie Sabal and family, Miss Greta and family, Mr. Dale Guzman, Dale Cayetano and family, Parade Committee, Miss Sheena Zuniga, Miss Nirma Jean, Mr. Serrano, Mrs. Lisa Coleman, Mr. Ernie Arzu Langai, Nurse Julie Simpson, Belmapan Medical Care, Jahari Martinez, Becky Pitio, Desiree Diego, Cuellas, Marlon Flores, a.k.a. Abauna, Mrs. Dorina Castillo,
that is long. That I love. I love that.
Rose Sutherland. Patricia Clutter, Eleanor Bullock, Honorable Mayor Mariano, Louis Tabani, Era Rep, Alex Lucas, Opposition Party Leader Reverend Barbara, Deacon Olivas, Harry Arizu, Love FM, Marsha, National Governor Council, Dangriga Branch.
Mrs. Nancy Cruz, Jody Sabal, Leslie Green, Nadine Alvarez, Jane Sawaso, John Castillo, Bernice Pitillo, Marsha Mejia, Hamage, oh, Hayunago Wagobrego Dance Group, Hanigo? Okay. And Mrs. Therese Tunde.
Mrs. Carol Hill, Mrs. Doris Mejia, Southern Regional Hospital, Empire Funeral Home, Pablo Lambe Foundation, Mrs. Joycelyn Cayetano, Mrs. Gregoria Sabal, Ms. Adria Rodriguez, and the church choir. Você tá o chegou on você reme home soon. Ha we da habai sereme.
I also want to thank Jude Belize Foundation, Miss Ella Kanake. Miss Ella, I know you're watching. Thank you very much for everything you've done too. You know. Don't forget Galato. Thanks to Gala. Gala made a dance that night, the first time you see Gala dance. Right?
If we have forget anyone, it's not intentional.
Yeah, that's what happens sometimes.
Forgive us from the bottom of our hearts. I want to Sereme from Warani Cultural Dance Group.
Wow. Man, this is extraordinary, you know. I've already set a standard, so no, I have to come on Difa when something happens, because then we have to show appreciation. You know, this is so lovely. This is different. Nobody ever done this before, and it's set a precedent, set a standard for a community. I always say thanks. I always give thanks, appreciation for what, you know, make it a little bit easier, less stressful. You know, for like Wednesday, they got clean chicken coming about. They got kill and that soup me nice. I mean, really enjoy that soup. I get about 4 bowl of soup. Every minute I come for my soup, I decide to soup up. You know, thanks Miss Sharon Valentine Castillo as well. You know, she was always she's been there, and you know, Sharon N. Kwak Castillo, Yolanda Mariano. You know, and everybody on the live right now that's showing love. Thanks you guys. Thank you guys. I can't list out Mike Williams. Thank you very much. Georgette Lombe, Kamisha Claire, Lynn Bell, Sam Logo, Sweet Gal. She's saying it's a beautiful song, Clarine. And Laurel Davis. You know, just big up Dean Usher. Everybody is on the live that's showing, giving a lot of hearts and sharing this live. All right. So anything else, ladies?
I just want you guys to know that Warren Cultural Group will continue. I must keep up my mom legacy. So you can reach me at 621-2263.
Make I put that in there one time. 621-2263. Well, I'll be the first one for Warren. My granny mass on the 28th of February. I need Warren there. Right? That Benguchaya. 28th of February. Alright? So I need Warren there. And I want to pay for it. Alright? Because then I saw this business that's set. Right. So Warren. So that is the number 621-2263.
Or 601-7949.
601-7941.
7949.
All right. Good. I don't put that in the lane bell. Good night, Randy Castillo. Randy is on. He said, bless up everybody. Thank Randy. Cynthia Fletcher. Good night. Right. So again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a blessing to have Uwani Cultural Group. And Miss Dorina, no. Good night, Miss Dorina.
They insist that I talk, right? And I'm shy. On behalf of Uwani and Habaya, you know, we're so grateful for you to, I mean, Daifa, Garifuna radio station, we really appreciate you. And I must say thank you to the Dangriga community. Who said Dangriga community stingy? Hayenta? Let me tell you, great minds think alike. We got together, we did everything together, and I must say that Miss Maggie clearly told us what she wanted. So all we did was carried out what she wanted. And the support that we have, we had experts on experts, like there are people like Petra. Oh my God, how can we not mention Petra?
We don't remember everybody now, Dorina.
That's why I'm here. Petra was so instrumental. She had all of Maggie's song. As soon as she heard that Maggie was sick, Maggie had 3 requests. And yes, we honored her request. The first one was, what, Clarine? She wanted drumming under the shed, yes? And yes, we did that. We gave her the drumming. Thanks to Marsha and her team. And also, Abaya Urani and Ugudarigi. Oh my goodness, I didn't know there was so much love here in Dangriga. In addition, she said she wanted Clarine to sing. And that's why, even though Clarine didn't want to sing, Maurice, she was forced to sing, okay? She was forced to sing because Tidasilir.
Yeah.
So, on behalf of the family, the community, we thank you. Oh my goodness, Sereme.
And you can't miss out Pierre. Pierre is a new artist now. I saw him in the church. The man steal the show. So Darwin Piranha, Lee, you know, man, you did an awesome job, man. I couldn't make it because, you know, I don't like. We hear, I don't know if this pick up anything. You don't say I don't like it. Well, we said let me legalist no. I don't like I'm not shy about that. I don't like a church, but you know, Dabuyaba is the best. Just let them know that Owane is not dead. We will carry on what Miss Marks left for us. That's what Pierre is saying. Random number, the number is 601-7449. That's how Random is say. So this is a correction to it, ladies and gentlemen. So it's going to stay on the live. All right. So we got that. I don't know, and then the correct number again. Miss Mag was a great person. Everybody is all right. Pierre say he just tuned in. All right, Pierre. And that is true. Thanks for you know, she left a great legacy behind, so he can't dead. No way he could dead. And I say, oh, this one dead. All right. Anything else, ladies?
Well, we'll just close off with another song.
Okay, go ahead whenever you're ready.
Luago Farari, oh, Wanagora.
Luago Bungio Nagora.
Luago Farari, oh, Wanagora.
Luago Bungio Nagora.
Ah, Luago Farari, Nagora.
Ligiego Saga Bafube.
Ah, Luago Farari, Nagora.
Ligiego Saga Bafube.
Aria Babuya, Kian. Labu Sandie, Babuya, Kioniro,
Labu Sandie,
Ari Babuya, Kioniro, Labu Sandie,
Lago Faradio Nagora,
Ari Babuya, Kioniro, Labu Sandie,
Lago Faradio Nagora.
With that said, I say good night.
Yes, good night. And there's more people. Johnny P is online. Johnny P, you miss out, but you don't miss out. Kasuko, always watch this. They're saying, good job, ladies. A lot of thumbs up for ladies tonight. Darwin is saying, my sister is the new boss, Clarine Cas Alvarez. Clarine. Right? Joyce Carton, blessings to all. Sharon Castillo, my favorite song. Kiona Namule. Wow. Again, ladies, I feel a lot of joy too with you guys in the house tonight. You know, and this is my job. This is my job is to share culture. You know, matter. And there's no price to it. You know, this thing is priceless. So we got to keep it up to keep Garifuna culture alive and kicking. All right. Carlos Martinez, lovely vocals, ladies. You love it. Well, we gotta go. It's been time now, La Madna. I mean, just like, ooh, man, La Madna. I smell fish right now and I can't eat it, right? So I want to say, ladies, again, and Adale, Clarine, Miss Dorina, and Ali. I can't remember all the names, but I remember the faces. I mean, respect, enough respect to all of you guys for stopping in the studio today. All right, thank you very much.
Good night, good night.
We were here until my song or Master Chris. Boy to go, yo. We're signing off, ladies and gentlemen. Now tune in Thursday night at the What's Hype show with Ethan and Rajan Lawrence. It's giving you all what's happening in Riga. Alright. What's Hype show on Thursday. Good night, everybody. We gotta go. We got to go. We got to go.
Salimo